When charge changes, what happens to electric force? What changes here? The distance stays the same, but the charge on the left gets 3 times smaller. We could say it's divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us a charge of +1. When the charge gets 3 times smaller, the electric force gets 3 times smaller. So our original force of 6 newtons can be divided by 3 to get our new force of 2 newtons. Let's try this again. What changes here? The distance stays the same, but the charge on the left gets 2 times larger. It went from a charge of +5 to a charge of +10. 2 times larger, we multiplied it by 2. When the charge gets 2 times larger, the electric force gets 2 times larger. So we can take our original electric force of 10 newtons and multiply it by 2 to get our new electric force of 20 newtons. Let's review. Charge and electric force are proportional. This means that if a charge is 2 times bigger, the electric force is 2 times bigger. If the charge is 1,000 times bigger, electric force is 1,000 times bigger. When the charge is 3 times smaller, or divided by 3, the electric force is 3 times smaller, divided by 3. If the charge is 10 times smaller, or divided by 10, the electric force is 10 times smaller, or divided by 10.